Hi all, welcome to MuleSoft session. Today's topic is consuming SOAP API from MuleSoft using web service consumer because we are consuming web service, SOAP web service in different ways. But today's I'm going to tell how we can consume SOAP API from MuleSoft using web service consumer. So before going to web service consumer, so we need to know a few things about what is SOAP API. So SOAP API means it is a simple object access protocol. So it is a message specification for exchanging information between two system or two application. So when it comes to application programming interface means API, as SOAP API is developed more structured way compared to REST API. SOAP is structured more convenient way or a more structured way. So consuming SOAP API from MuleSoft, there are so many ways are there. So in that today I'm going to tell using web service consumer. Uh, for consuming the web service consumer, we need one public services. So I will show you how to consume using demo also. So we need first web service. Today I took web service as calculator. Web service, it will available in online. So we are going to use this service to call SOAP API. So there is a visible link and the API information, everything is available there. So if you click on that visitor link, so you will get that visitor file and where you will get all information related to that API, calculator API. So here we can see the, just a minute. Sorry. This is the online web services for calculator. So see here, it contained all the operations, add, subtract, multiply, divide, everything will get schema, everything already is available. Okay. So we need a particular link like add the operation. So we'll get add operation. In place of add, we can add, multiply, subtract, anything. So we'll get all that information. So we'll get, main thing is this is the body. So this body we can use in consumer as well as in Postman also. This is it looks like a this add calculator API. So to build the API request, we can use this information and build the API call. Okay. And I will show you how to do that one. First, let's try to call the same API from the MuleSoft. So we create the project and use the listener and start to build the API. So use the consumer web service is already present in a Mule palette. And some transformation we can use. Only this much, nothing else, nothing much else. So we'll start how to do this, consume the SOAP web service. First, we have to open Anypoint Studio. So I already deployed, so I will show you how I done. I created one flow first, SOAP flow. So already know how to create the, already everyone knows how to create the flow. First thing is I added listener to trigger the flow. Listener configuration I'll show. Listener config, nothing else. I just added port here. Port you can add 8081, anything because I already used 8081 and 8082. So I used 8087. No need for base path. Once configuration of listener done, we have to add path. This is a calculator program I'm using. So I used can as a path. Once the listener is done, then we have to use transform message. In the transform message, what we have to do is, there are two transform message we took. First one and second one. First transform message, we have to give just print the payload, whatever we're getting. Next, we go for consumer. Here we have some configuration. I will show you. Consumer means we have to select from Mule palette that is web service consumer. This one, web service consumer, we have to select and just drag this. Display name, we can give anything. Next, we have to configure the web service consumer. So I'll show you how I configured. First thing is SOAP version. SOAP version, we have to take default one. After that, just go for visitor location. Visitor location means this is the location. This is the visitor location. I will share in description box. So this visitor location, port, everything configuration. So once we added visitor location, then we automatically service will get a display. Calculator will just take from this drop down. So once we added this one port also will get from SOAP or SOAPware. We have to select SOAP first. Next, address also will get from drop down. Once we added the visitor location, everything will get automatically. We just take from a drop down and we have to click OK. That's it. Okay, once the configuration is done, so we have to select the operation. Operation means we in a calculator we have 4 operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So as of now, I am taking add operation. So here we have a lot of options: add, divide, whatever you want, you can take. I took add. Then you have to add a body here. Body is compulsory here. So what body we have to add? Body is add operation body we have to take from here. There's no need to add all those things. We just whatever we need, we have to add from 1.02 until this or until body. Int A, they given int only. Here we have to add values. Actually, I'm not doing statically, I'm doing dynamically only. Here we have to give values. 4 and 3. This is the done. Next, go for transform message and it will display in a XML file. So once it is done, so we have to go to Postman, select the operation, get operation, localhost 8087 port number and path. And we have to give body here. Body, it is in XML. So body also, whatever we given, same thing we have to add here. Same. So once we'll give, it will work. So I will run my project. Once it's deployed, we can hit from Postman request. Okay, it's deployed. We'll go to Postman and we hit this. So we are expecting 4 plus 3, add operation will be 7. Add result, we got 7. So it's working fine. Okay, it's working fine. Expected answer only we are getting. So it's working fine. So this is the way we can consume the SOAP API using web service consumer. So this is the one approach. So like this only we can do by using request connector also, that I will show in next class. So I hope you guys are like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.